So guys, I'm gonna be telling you about this Snoring Princess book, Once Upon Fairy Tale. This is Princess, and it's something like this. And in the back, it says Princess Rosa is missing. The princess disappears, and I'm gonna be telling you all about the story. So what happened was that the Princess Rosa was missing. The princess disappears from her place on the day 100 years sleeping spell is set to end. If Princess Rosa is not back by the sunset, the spell will start all over again. Kara and Zed, along with the fairy from the palace, go looking for her. But can they find Princess Rosa before the sun sets? Let's see. So they did find Princess Rosa before the sunset, because she was allergic to sun, so she did not really come outside. My bad. When the sunset is gone, she comes outside. And yeah, this was all the story about part 2. I'm gonna coming soon.